Lord, to support our submissions this morning, we will rely on the affidavit of Samuel Joroge, dated the 21st October 2024. We'll also rely on the 2nd and 7th respondent submissions, dated the 17th of September 2024. The 2025 as well. My Lord and my Lady, we fully adopt those written submissions. I will, my Lords and my Lady, start by making reference or drawing our attention back to submissions by learned Senior Counsel Professor Gachagua in relation to or on behalf of the Attorney General. I will borrow from his very able submissions on two critical aspects. Number one, on the nature of impeachment proceedings, and number two, on the jurisdiction of the court. In relation to the nature of the proceedings or the nature of impeachment proceedings, learned Senior Counsel Professor Gachagua describes those proceedings as proceedings sui generis and political. And he adds that this is not just in Kenya, but globally. He then fortifies that position with two critical decisions. One decision is the decision of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, where the court says that impeachments are a constitutional measure designed to protect the state from official delinquencies and that it is political in nature. Locally, Professor Gachagua did refer the court to the case of Kawira Mwangaza versus the County Assembly of Meru, affirming that impeachment are inherently political and distinct from judicial processes. My Lord and my Lady, that being the position taken by the respondents, I then would want to trace the architecture of impeachment proceedings within the context of our Constitution. And I start with this point, my Lords and my Lady. Every 5 years, the people of Kenya go to the ballot to elect their leaders. In particular, and of most interest, is usually the election of the president, together with his deputy. Then, additionally, the election of parliamentarians. My Lord and my Lady, these elections determine or define the executive leadership and governance of a country. Now, central to the question of elections is the issue about